Well, hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are playing Unrailed, and once again I am with my co-host Aubrey and as you all know, my girlfriend. So, welcome again. You guys already know who she is, so introductions aren't needed.
Hi.
But yes, hi. She said hi without me saying it for once. So today we are playing Penguin and Ice Girl. No, I'm just playing. We're playing Unrailed. Little train,
So,
little thing game. I really don't know how to explain it. I honestly just think we should get right into it and you guys can watch. A little goofy game, I would say.
the robbers are that close to us
Yeah.
after this time.
Alright. So, the main base is I just hit a cart. Babe, explain.
So, like, we gotta get this train to the destination. But for it to get there, we have to build the railroad tracks. In which we have to mine the trees to get the wood to make them.
Ah!
And the iron or
Oh
stone,
my
whatever it is.
god. Alright, I'll explain it better. So she explained again, we have to mine stone and wood to build tracks for the train. Um, we have to build tracks. Um, God, I'm high. Alright, let me really explain. So, like she said, we have to put stone and wood into the rail car into the back to make tracks and then build a track. If the track stops, the train explodes. So our main objective is to get this train to the. You can see it in the top right. It's a little like, I guess, rail station, I guess, or a little station.
Dang, this way would have been so much easier.
Should we go that way instead? We could wrap it around probably. No, we probably can't. Actually, yeah, we still can.
I would not.
Yeah, we can.
Or,
We can.
we're
Babe,
like
get the
right there.
fuck over here. These little motherfuckers are coming.
Go over there and get the iron.
These little fucking bastards, dude. Kill them.
Look at the iron.
What do you think
Look
I'm
at the
doing?
iron.
What do you think I'm doing? Oh my god, the track is. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. This is about to end so bad. There's not even any commentary. There's nothing. This is just absolute chaos. Just put it on. Thank you.
Why did this dude not die?
Kill him. Just put it on, Mom. Thank you. I love you. All right. Wow. This is one of the worst starts, craziest starts of the video. I am sorry, everybody. We are all over the place right now. Oh my god. But seriously, as we said, we have to get stone and wood, build tracks, place the tracks, and
Here, babe, go do this. I'm gonna go do.
make sure that we get it to the thing. Grab the wood, grab the wood, grab the wood. Get the water. Let's go. Wow, I don't know how this is working right now, but it's working. This went from the most
Babe, bring
down
this
bad,
stack over
stupid.
here.
Huh?
Get that. Get that stack.
Oh, the fucking massive one?
Yeah, grab it.
I don't need that big of a one. I only need a little one. That's
It
what
don't
she's doing.
matter. Grab it. We need it.
Alright. We are getting surprisingly so lucky. I don't even understand. Look how much of a fucking curve we got on this.
It's good though.
It's sad. That was such an unorganized fucking mess.
You know what? I'm still. You can have this.
Oh, it's on fire. Train on fire.
Oh,
Train not on fire. Let's go. Oh, I just got a thing for building 8 tracks ahead. That's cool.
oh yeah, dude.
Grab the axe.
I didn't mean to do that. I don't know why I dropped it.
Here we go with the oogie boogie music. Fuck, it's on fire again. Oh shit, the whole thing's burning. Oh, industrial failure. POV, the Industrial Revolution back in POV 1970s. No, I'm just playing.
If you actually started doing that, I literally would just like.
Like 1977, 1850, like 80. No, I'm just playing. Start saying every historical fact I know. Mine faster.
Sorry, I had to kill animals.
What? You're killing animals, babe? That's fucked.
I had to.
How do you feel about yourself killing animals like that? Do you feel good?
Not very good.
No? Damn. Down bad, down bad. Alright, alright. Oh, it's about to storm. They heard us. Oh, wait, no. It's nighttime. Oh, shit. The thing's on fire. Where's it at? Where's it at? Dude.
You had it.
That was almost bad. We are building the longest fucking track possible for this thing.
It's okay, we get a lot more achievements this way.
I guess so. POV, everybody back in the 1900s. We're gonna get achieved for this, brother.
We will be known.
100 years later, we are not known.
We're gonna be taking this railroad tracks out. It was trash.
This railroad track fell apart 20 years later. It caused a 300 car pile up, killed 100,000 people.
That'd be so dumb.
Oh shit. Dog.
It's over here. Oh no, you gotta build more track.
I was about to say. Miny, miny, diggy, diggy hole. I don't even think we're playing Unrailed anymore. I think we're playing Deforestation Simulator. America 1900 Simulator. Killing the fucking ecosystem simulator. Real life simulator. No, I'm gonna stop. No commentary. No, I'm just playing. But
It's
you,
insane. It's
you,
insane.
you really like absolutely killed the forest over here, babe. No mercy. There is literally probably a whole ecosystem dead, animals dead because of you, and you know what? You don't even feel a thing. Like, look, you know what? This penguin's about to get hit by
You don't
you.
even feel a thing. You need not just say it like that.
I did say that. Yay, we won! We killed animals! Yay, PETA! Benny, 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 Ben. Ben, Benny, Ben. Benny, Benny, Ben. Benny, Ben. Ah, Ben. Ben. No, I'm playing.
This one's. What? I thought you were just running off with it like, bro.
Fuck!
What?
I just picked up a whole fucking 300-pound cart. Ben, Benny, Benny, Ben. Ben. No, bro, probably the fucking chat probably think I'm sped. Benny, Ben. Start a new game and I.
Oh, to continue.
Oh, it said you're a liberal? Oh, we're fucked. Oh yeah, this is an amazing. We have American citizens. Oh, we have plenty of wood back here. I wouldn't worry about mining wood. Come here and mine stone for me. I'll grab the wood. Like seriously, come mine the stone. I'll move the wood up here. Babe!
I am.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Why is it not doing it?
What? That's the wrong stone. You gotta go get the ones, the gray ones.
My
Yeah.
brain was done.
We almost instantly failed.
It was having a sped moment.
Almost cracked under pressure.
I totally forgot because I thought like stone would be gray, but
Oh fuck, it's on fire. Oh fuck, we're not nowhere. No. There's a oh! Oh wait, I forgot if you press shift you can sprint, bro.
thanks.
We've been completely forgetting about that. Yes, teamwork makes the dream work. Now we're like an actual American Industrial Revolution. AKA, but we don't use other people to do our work. We do it ourselves. Hey, you gotta come mine some. Yeah, you gotta do that. You gotta mine some of the fucking actual forest out of the way.
Oh, that's what I'm trying to do. Hang on. 'Cause you're gonna have to go this way anyway. Unless you want to go. No, you can't. Because we can't.
Damn, you almost have a
I'm not.
stroke.
No, my throat was dying. It's cool though.
Damn, POV me.
Wait, what? So your throat be dying?
No, I be causing your throat to die. Why'd you take it like that, you fucking motherfucker?
Oh,
Oh, anymore.
oh.
Hey,
Yes.
it's on fire! Oh
Grab the
shit.
bucket.
Oh shit, the whole thing's on fire. Oh, we might be fucked, babe.
No.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's actually the whole thing's on fire.
Hurry.
Dude, we probably fucked ourselves, actually.
Refill the bucket. So it's automatically filled if if it happens again. Just get the tracks and put them down.
Dude, you gotta mine stone right now and go get the pickaxe, yeah. Go mine stone real quick. Destroy
Oh,
no
destroy
animals.
new.
What the fuck?
When was that a thing?
I don't know. I guess PETA really heard our comments.
I guess so. God told him to say something.
Gonna get copyright strikes for commenting on them.
Here, babe, it's over here. All the stuff. There's a lot now.
Thank you. Love you, babe.
Put
Don't know how we're actually still getting stuff built.
all the stuff in a stack so it's easier for yourself. I'm gonna keep
I might have fucked up.
because this is all we have over here. Same with the wood.
Start bringing stone over here.
Alright, hang on, I'm gonna cross over with this. Come over here and grab these stacks when you can. Better hurry because the screen looks like
Dude, we gotta grab the wood and stone we can get and go over here now.
That's what I'm trying to say.
We're alright right now. Oh, fuck. Move, babe, move! Go the other fucking way! Oh my god, move!
It's over there.
You can wait! Oh my fuck, we fucked up. We fucked.
Dude, I'm gonna have a seizure. Like, I mean, so serious.
Oh my god, I know.
You can take this over there.
Get over here, get over here, get over here now, get over here now. No, 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 just keep bringing stuff. I gotta chop wood up. I gotta chop the tree out the way. I don't know if we're making it. Move, move. Move. Oh, you did it. You did it. Good job.
Dang it, no, I can't go back. Stuck now. You got the pickaxe?
Please tell me you have stone. Go back and grab stone. Here, I've got the tracks. Please tell me you have stone. Oh shit. Where's the axe? Give me the axe now. Give me the axe now. Or chop those trees out the way. Yeah, yeah. Good job. Good shit. We actually did it, I think.
Bob. Dude, Bob was trying to get out.
Fuck him. He ain't going out. He bad. Being bad, Bob.
You're gonna have to go mine, whatchamacallit.
We're done. Good shit. Oh my, we're about to see a fucking war crime. Watch this. Ah! Oh! I'm dead.
Love you, handsome.
Oh, you want rid of hole? That was a two-part.
Should we do the the new wagon thing?
Hold on, let me
To
look.
make it the first one?
Hold on, let me look first.
Oh,
Um,
the first one. Because it's only level 1. No, not the second, the new wagon, but it's only level 1. This one. Yeah, that one. Nice. You know what that means now? I don't know if that. What is that? What kind of wagon is that?
it makes wood and iron into like either one. It'll convert it to the other one. We're about 25 minutes in. You want to do another part of this, or you want to just end it here?
You can end it here if you're wanting to. We can do another video, or we can do. We could post this video, and then we could do another video on something else.
Alright, well guys, I hope you enjoyed. We'll do another part on this. We'll do a part 2 where we left off. So I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the little bit of spedness. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Have a good day. See ya.